Hey guys, my name is Leo, and I'm going to show you how to create your seller report for your clients. First thing, we are going to send you the Canva template for this cover. It's a two-page cover for your seller reports, and then later on, we're going to show you how to add the other PDFs with the agent views graph report, the CMA with the single line, the condensed, and the CMA one landscape for this, as well as the showing time report. So let's just focus on the cover page first for now. So as you can see, this is the first page. You could change the photo of the address here. So if it's your first time using Canva, you need to upload your photo by clicking on the uploads on the left. And since I already uploaded my photo here, I just click and drag into this box. And if you double click on the photo, you could resize it, adjust it to your liking. Um, and I like that. The address is very simple to edit as well. Just double click on it. So it says 12345 Main Street. Let's say the address is 123 Main Street here. Um, and here's your photo. Here's your name, phone number, and your email. Once you set this up and save this template in your Canva, it will stay there and you will never have to touch this. Let's just say this is not your photo. Let's say this is your photo and just type in your information. Very easy. The next page is where most of the information will be sourced from Maris. Pretty basic stuff. We need the days on market, the active date, the client possibilities, client favorites. These four will be sourced in your Maris account. Let's go to Maris and get the days on market. So let's just say this is the property in question. And I'm sorry if this is not the property in Canva because we're using a 123 Main Street sample. But let's just say this is the property you are creating the seller report on. It says the days on market here is 62. So just go back to Canva and type in 62 here. How I did that is I double clicked on it so it becomes editable. We also need the active date. So we need the stat date for this one. It says 7/18/24. Just copy it. So just paste it here. If the template changes in spacing and formatting, just adjust it accordingly. It's created to be very easy to customize and adjust. Client possibilities and client favorites are also taken from the same page here in Maris. As you can see, the client views and client favorites, client possibilities. So these two are what we need. Client favorites and client possibilities are both zeros. So let's go back here to Canva and edit this to show zero. Zillow views and Zillow saves. It's also very easy to get these information. Just Google the address. Let's copy this because this is the property. Type it in and just add the word Zillow. It's usually the first result. So yeah, fortunately this is the property. So very easy to source. Sometimes the information that we need changes. We like a year ago or a few years ago, it's somewhere here on the right side of the screen, but now it's smack here in the center. Uh, Here's what we need. It says 62 days on Zillow, but that's not what we need. 1475 views and 89 saves. So this is the information that we need. 1475 views, 89 saves. Let's go back to Canva. It says 1475 views and 89 saves. For showings, we just need to know how many total appointments are are showing in showing time. So let's go to your showing time account. This is the property. Let's click on listing activity report. So it says here the total number of appointments is 9. So let's go to Canva, change this to a 9. There we go. Let's make that bold. Client matches. So you'll take this from Canva. So let's go back to the home page and sorry, you'll source that from Maris. Let's go back to the home page in Maris. Um, we're looking for the client matches. There you go. So let's go to my active residential listing. Let's click on that. So since this is the property in question, let's just click this checkbox to select it and click reverse prospect. So when you click that, it will show you the number of agents with their information here. So it depends. If you can count it manually, do so. But this is like a lot of information now. So what I usually do is I copy it and paste it in an Excel sheet. Uh, it's a little hack. When you paste it, you will see the number of people, number of agents here. The uh, bottommost shows row 55, so that means we have 55 minus the row header, which counts it as well. So 55 minus 1 is 54. So let's close this. We have 54 agents in total, so that's the client matches. So that's it. You're done with the two-page cover for the report. So what I usually do is I save this now. I print it. So in Canva, click on the upper right where it says share, and there's a download button here. Just download it as a PDF. Just make sure it's a PDF and not PNG or JPG, because those are image files. This one is a standard PDF. Just hit download. So the computer automatically downloads that for you. Um, Now, we also need to get the agent views graph report. So this is one of the reports that Michael showed us on the video today. So where do we get that? Let's go back to Maris. We will take that on the My Hit Counters report again. So it says My Listing, and this is what we need to click on, My Hit Counters. So this is the property. Let me just adjust this view so it shows us everything. All the way to the right side, we have agent views. Just click on this number, which says 620. Click on that, and it will show us a graph report. So what we usually pull is the first two check boxes here. So it shows us the portal views and the agent views. What we need to do next is just to simply print it. So it loads now. This is the report we need. Let's click on print. It automatically prints as a PDF. So let's just do that. Let's just name this graph report for now. Okay. So you can close it now. You can close this window now. Now we need to have the CMA report. So to do that, let's copy the MLS number for this property and click on search. So this is a residential property. So let's do residential detail. Let's show everything here from active all the way to canceled. You can freely customize this. You could do price, you can narrow it by price, but we're going to do a generic pull within quarter of a mile for this particular MLS number. So let's just click on results here. So we have 4 results: active, sold, withdrawn, canceled. Okay, let's select everything by clicking on this checkbox right here and click on print. So we need to have a single line report, a condensed report, and a CMA one line landscape. So to do that, you need to hold control on your keyboard while you click on the specific reports that you want. So since I'm holding my control key on my keyboard, I'm able to select single line, condensed, and CMA1 landscape, and just click on print to PDF. So you can see it's generating. Sometimes it takes a while depending on the number of results. Fortunately, we only have 4, so it's pretty fast. Just click on download on the upper right of the screen. So let's call this CMA. Very simple. So now that we have those reports, we can close this and go back to showing time, where we will get the showing time report. So what we'd like to do is get the homeowner version of this report. So we click on homeowner version. and then click on download PDF. So now the computer has automatically downloaded it for me. So we have three files, three reports basically. Let's rename this showing time report. We also have the CMA and the graph report, and we also downloaded the Canva report earlier. Let's create a folder, uh, seller report for 123 Main Street. Okay, so this is the folder, specific folder. I'm gonna paste everything. Uh, okay, I lost the copy. So let me just copy it again and paste them into this folder that I just created. So what we need to do next to attach everything, or yeah, fix everything together into one unified document, is to select everything, and then right click on any one of them. There's usually uh, an option here to combine them into a PDF document, but I don't see that right now. But let me just click on open. So as you can see, I have uh, my PDF Adobe Acrobat opened the file for me. So let's not do that. There is usually an easy way where you can just select everything and right click and combine them all together. But for some reason, it may be my computer update. So what you need to do now is to, do it manually. Open this. If you double click it, since a PDF, you should be able to open it as a PDF. So this is the first two that we need. We need to add the next page now. So we're gonna click on insert here. So click from file because we need to insert it from this folder. There's a reason we created the folder, so it's easy to navigate where the pages are. So the next page, it's up to you if you want to do the graph first or the CMA first. Let's do the CMA first. So we're gonna insert the CMA. Location is after page 2, so they will be in order. So as you can see, we have page 1, page 2, and then this one is the single page report. We have the condensed report, and we have the CMA landscape report. So we need to insert another from file, and then we're going to add the graph report. And then location is after page 5, so it gets to the number 6 position. And of course, we need to insert again the showing time report this time, and this will be after page 6, so it becomes the very last on the list. So when we have everything together, just select everything by hitting Control A or just dragging a box over everything so it gets selected, and just hit is it share or print? I don't remember, but let me try something. Um, Save as is what we need. So let's click. Let's make sure everything is in order. So there you go. Everything looks to be in order. So what we need to do now is just save this. Where's the save button here? Menu. There you go. So my Adobe looks different now. So menu, save as, and I'm going to save this into the same folder where I will say NWG seller reports 123 Main Street. And then I usually just type in the date that today is 9/18. So there you go. When you hit save, you're done with your seller report. So thank you so much for watching.